Hi, my name is Hugo Valentine, and these are experimental recording techniques.
Today we'll be talking about pinging. Pinging is an experimental music technique that requires a resonator and a signal. The signal excites the resonator, creating a tone. Different types of signals as well as filters can create different types of tones. It's kind of hard to understand with words, but let's give it a try and see if we can understand. For the purposes of this video, I'll be using my synthesizer, field recorder, aux cable, and quarter-inch jack. The signal path is quite simple. I connect the quarter-inch jack to the aux cable and then the output of the aux cable to the input of the field recorder. Lastly, I connect my headphones to the output of the field recorder so I can hear everything. Here's a diagram that I made to demonstrate. Okay, here's our setup. We start with a basic waveform, a sawtooth wave. As you can see, I've put the waveform in the sequencer just to trigger a single note. That is represented by the red square over here. I then play the sequence so that you can hear the waveform. The waveform is very simple and it has a long decay and a short attack. So the real pinging happens once we start messing with the filters and the resonance. So let's give it a try. I'm going to play the sequence and then start to take the cutoff frequency of the filter down. We'll take it to a certain degree and then leave it there. The real pinging happens once we introduce the resonance. I'm going to tweak the resonance knob until the frequency of the resonance matches the frequency of the note. We'll hear more bass introduced once the resonance is at the correct place. And there it is. As we can hear, the signal is now being pinged. The original signal is a basic waveform that is now resonating the filter. Now that we have a basic understanding of pinging, let's get rid of that synthesizer and unlock the swag. Here we have our swag utensils. First, we make our swag filter by taking a piece of paper and turning it into a cylinder. The cylinder has ridges in the middle which help with the swag. Next we get a piece of paper, pouring the swag juice inside and crushing it up a little bit with our fingers. We add a little bit of cigarette swag for extra cancer. We then put the filter into the swag stick and roll it up nicely. This is the most important part because how will you ping without swag? We lick the swag and then we tap the swag. We push the swag back and here we have it, baby. Now we can all confidently say that we understand pinging. I've been your host, Hugo Valentine, and this has been Experimental Recording Techniques #1. Thanks for watching.